Learning Beyond Alphabet Challenges and Prospect in NEP 2020 HAIBA HIRAM da Numit Nini ki Oiba National Seminar ama Ngasi Manipur University ki Court Hall da Houdokkhre. Indian Council of Social Science Research and Regional Center Silongi Meeting Makhada University Asigi Department of Adult Continuing Education and Extension na sinduna pangthokpa National Seminar asi Houdokpagi Thauramda University asigi Vice Chancellor Professor N. Lokendra, School of Education gi Dean Professor Premlata Maishnam, Guwahati University gi Department of Education gi Professor Dulumoni Goswami Amade, University asigi Department of Adult Continuing Education and Extension gi Head Dr. Lamalu Thaimaina Thauram Mapu ina saruk yake. Tongan-tonganba College, DMU amasung MU gi mahiroi singna saruk yakiba seminar aduda Manipur University Vice Chancellor Professor N. Lokendra na hai India da matam sangna British ki education system chanaduna lakhibane mahiroi sing masana haining na paba natana namduna pahannaba amade khanghanaba hotnabagi chatnabi adudage hongdoktuna ngasidi anoba education system ama lakle NEP 2020 na mahiroi sing ningtamna mahai tambagi lambi ama piri policy asi yamna line urabasu masina India da anuba makhalge education system ama lakhanbada achauba mating ama pigani NEP 2020 ka mari leinana pangthokliba national seminar asinasu anuba makhalge advanced study da khudong chaba ma pibangam lagani hainasu mahakna makhatana fongdokhe.
Professional life, after all, professional life, and it is also a way in which one's creativity can be constantly nurtured, developed, improved upon, and can make use of one's knowledge that he or she has, acquired during his or her life. It's a way of how to constantly develop oneself, maybe in terms of skill, maybe in terms of our way of dealing with the larger society, or maybe in terms of our overall thought process. In every way of life, we have to adapt ourselves. That's why Honorable Prime Minister was always talking about, what is it? Reskilling and upskilling. He has introduced so many concepts, which can be easily understood by common man. So this is the way of how I think this is one way of understanding, this is one way of looking into the overall frame of how NEP has included our Ullas. Thank you very much for giving me some time to say a few words.